Plus, it's a new speed controller that Kyle told me to try too. For $40. Hobby wing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got a Holmes motor in here too. To TRX4 crawler motor.
The way the battery straps look with the color of the battery, look like there was a can of Heineken in there.
It does. It does look like a can of Heineken.
That's the first thing that went through my mind. I'm like, damn, is he using that for like weight?
What do you guys think? I'm looking at, I kind of like that K5 Blazer they have as a track sport crawler.
Yep.
With the lock-in diffs and high-low range transfer case.
Well, you might like the Sport a little better because it'll get too many controls, start breaking servos, stuff like that.
The servos like to go. The more things you have on the truck, the more things can go wrong.
Yeah. How's the transfer case?
Those transfer cases and stuff is good. It's just those micro servos for
the diffs are what unlock.
And 2-speed.
Point to the sky.
Sport doesn't have any of that, but you get all
There
the
you go.
performance.
You can reverse through a gate.
And it's cheaper.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
And if you like the body, you can buy anything for whatever body you want. Essentially.
Now you get
I
the
told
TRX
guy,
Sport
I
kit.
kind of got an order in for that K5.
Yeah.
So. What do you think would be better in snow?
Tires.
Yeah.
In the end, it just ends up being tires at that point when you're considering loss now. Obviously, I'm with portals and drag less through the snow. Through the tire
Where am I
clearance,
going?
so
Oh,
you're on the right
go-
track.
Through the tunnel, yep.
I just wasted a reverse. I didn't see the tunnel.
Because a lot of stuff I see.
I don't know how low the low is compared to the high.